You know what you can do before the microwave beeps? You know what you could do? You can cure cancer. You can get a world record. You can get 20 if you could get a full-time job. You could eat a whole bowl of ice cream. You could eat mac and cheese. You could buy a whole store. You could meet one of your favorite celebrities. You can buy a whole store. I think I already said that. You can do anything you want in the time before the microwave beeps. Your dad can come back from getting milk before the microwave beeps. You can make a whole video before the microwave beeps. See? And I just did that.